Hello, my little mathematicians. Today, we are going to do some word problems involving adding and subtracting decimals. So let's go ahead and take a look. The very first problem says, a year ago, Julie's pet snake was 72.48 centimeters long. Since then, it has grown 12.8 centimeters. So if it grows, that usually implies that we're adding to it. How long is it now? So we want to find the total length. So I'm going to take how much it was, 72.48, and I'm going to add how much it has grown by. Make sure when you're adding or subtracting, you line up your decimal. So I'm going to put my decimal right beneath it. I'm going to put the 12 to the left of it and the 8 to the right of the decimal, and I'm going to put a 0 placement holder. Okay. And now I just go ahead and add down. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 and 8 make 12. Bring down your decimal. 1 and 2 make 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So how long is it now? It is now 85.28 centimeters long. Okay. And then what would be wise is to always go back and kind of just put whole numbers and estimate what you think the answer should be and make sure that your answer makes sense. So if it was 72 and you added 12, it should be about 80-ish, right? That's about 80-ish. Just in case you didn't line up your decimals, you want to make sure that your answer makes sense and is logical. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our next problem. Our next problem says, Jack had $7.43 in his pocket. His sister gave him 4 more. Then he found 55 cents and so went to the store and bought gum for 45 cents. How much money does he currently have? Okay, so we have some situations where he has money and then he spent money. I'm going to try to maybe represent the amount of money that I have in green. And whenever I spend money, I'm going to put that in pink. Okay. So he has $7.43 in his pocket. His sister gave him 4 more. So that's adding to my amount of money. Then he found 55 cents. Okay. That's adding more money to me. He went to the store and bought something for 45 cents. So that's spending money. How much money does he currently have? Okay. So let's take all the amount of money that was either he already had, was given to him, or he found. And let's add all those amounts together. So I have $7.43. Let's go ahead and put my decimal. My next number is $4. So $4. And then 55 cents. So line up your decimal. 55 cents goes there. Okay, let's combine all those amounts. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 and 4 make 9. Bring down your decimal. 7 and 4 make 11. So between what he was given and found, he had $11.98. But he had to spend some of it on gum, right? So let's go ahead and subtract how much he spent on gum. And clearly this was a while ago, or I don't know where he's shopping. I want to go. Gum for 45 cents. All right. I'm going to subtract that. And 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. Bring down that decimal. And 11 minus 0 is 11. So he now has $11.53. Remember, if you ever want to try to solve these first, go ahead and hit pause, try to work it out, and then unpause the video and follow along with us. Okay. The next question says, Jen bought 2 movie tickets for $13.76 each. If she gave the salesperson $30, how much should she get back? Okay. So if I buy something, that means I'm spending money, right? So this is the total spent. And then if I give the salesperson $30, that's how much I had, I would subtract how much I spent. So this is how much I started with. And then I subtract that and I'll figure out how much I have left. So first of all, let's figure out how much I spent. I bought 2 movie tickets. So you could do 13.76 times 2, or we could add them together because I bought 2 movie tickets that were each that price. So 6 and 6 make 12. 7, 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. Bring down your decimal. 3 and 3 make 6 plus 1 is 7. And 1 and 1 make 2. So this is the total amount of money that I spent. If I had $30 and this is how much money I spent, how much will I have left? Well, let's go ahead and subtract those to find out. Okay. I can't take 2 from 0, so I'm going to borrow. And I didn't really, so let's go ahead and borrow from that one as well. And I need to go over one more. So now this is a 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, bring down your decimal. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0, which means you now have $2.48 left, Jen. Okay. Our last 2 problems on this page. Whenever you see the word perimeter, perimeter means the distance around a shape. Okay. So you're going to go all the way around the shape here and all the way around the shape here. And that would give you the perimeter. So let's go ahead and add all the lengths around the outside of what shape do you think that is? You said quadrilateral. That's good. It's a 4-sided figure. It's not a parallelogram because this and this aren't parallel. I would call it a trapezoid, right? Because it has 1 pair of parallel sides. So this trapezoid, if I add all the different lengths, I have 6.4 plus 2.5 plus 6.1 plus 3.2. Double check that all of your decimals are lined up, okay? And then let's go ahead and combine them. So you have 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Go ahead and carry 1. 1 and 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. And 15 plus 3 is 18. Did I forget something? Bring down that decimal. Sometimes some people like to bring the decimal down at the very beginning so then they don't forget about it. And let's put my units. If it's perimeter, it's just centimeters. If it's area, you would do length times width. And so then that would give you centimeters squared. But we just did perimeter, so it's only centimeters. Okay, what shape is this over here for number B? It is a triangle. Okay, a 3-sided figure is a triangle. So let's go ahead and add all those outer edges. And you get 3.1, 4.5, and 3.4. Line up your decimals. 1 and 5 make 6. 6 and 4 make 10. 1 and 3 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8. And 8 plus 3 is 11. Don't forget to bring down that decimal. Okay, so 11.0, I don't really need to write that 0.0. Let's just call it 11 centimeters. And there you go. You just conquered adding and subtracting with decimals when they are involved in word problems. Congratulations, my little mathematicians. You're getting smarter and smarter each day.